The Supreme Court has drastically reduced political pressure on top bureaucrats by ruling that they must get an assured minimum tenure in postings. In fact, the Apex Court has said, and I quote, fixed tenure of bureaucrats will promote professionalism, efficiency and good governance. Much of the deterioration in the functioning of bureaucracy is due to political interference. The Supreme Court also directed the centre and the state governments to pass an order within 3 months on giving fixed tenure to civil servants. Top bureaucrats have also been empowered to record in writing the oral instructions of political bosses on files. The Supreme Court said that such recordings of political instructions by bureaucrats will also help in promoting transparency and will allow general public access to correct information. The Supreme Court ruling came on a PIL by former Cabinet Secretary TSR Subramanian.
As you have seen recently, the 2G case, the Colgate case, the radio tapes case, so many other cases, so much happens on verbal instructions and telephonic instructions. So the next one was that all instructions received from anybody interested party, the business side or political side, the recipient should record them. So that there's a record created and we know exactly the genesis of how things proceeded. They have clearly said within 3 months such instructions should be done.
Jaskirat is now joining us with more details on that very important order that has been passed by the Apex Court. Jaskirat, is the political class likely to contest that because it might not go down well with them?
Well, the Supreme Court's orders are more of a direction. They're not orders in the sense that the government will have to do it because, of course, the Supreme Court can't direct the government in terms of parliamentary or political procedure. So the Supreme Court has asked the government, technically speaking, just like they did a few years ago in the Prakash Singh judgment of police reforms. And we've seen what happened in that case. For over half a decade, the police reforms directive have been lying unused. They've been not implemented, and it's back in the Supreme Court right now, where the Supreme Court has now state by state going through their affidavits to see whether or not those reforms are implemented. So what we have today is the Supreme Court agreeing mostly with TSR Subramaniam. Just a little word about the petitioners over here. It's TSR Subramaniam and about over 80 civil servants, ex-civil servants with over 3,000 years of manpower hours, 3,000 years of experience of administration between them if you combine all their administrative experience together.